Ladies and gentlemen, today the C8 ZR1X pricing was released, and boy will it shock you. So we've got pricing, a new edition, and a new paint finish. All right, now let's see if you can win this beautiful C8 ZR1. We are in the final days of this Sprint Car Hall of Fame Museum giveaway, and it's a brand new 2025 Corvette ZR1 Coupe with a ZTK performance package plus $30,000 in cash for taxes. This is the kind of giveaway dreams are made of, and it ends in just a few days on August 10th. And here's how you benefit. Because you're a Brink of Speed viewer, you'll get 40% more entries just by using my special link in the description and the pinned comment below. This is a carbon fiber loaded beast of a Corvette ZR1, and it could be yours very soon. So don't wait. Click the link, support a great cause, and lock in those bonus entries before time runs out. Let's bring this ZR1 home to one of you. And please email me if you are the lucky winner. Hello everyone, and welcome back to Brink of Speed. Boy, do I have a good one for you today. But before we get into it, make sure and help me out by smashing that thumbs up button and the red subscribe button so that you can help me reach my goal of 100,000 subscribers between now and the end of the year. All right, let's get into it. All right, so like I said, we now have confirmed pricing. We have a new limited edition variant. And yes, for the first time since the 1960s, Chevrolet is bringing factory matte paint to Corvette, which I want to personally thank GM for, because we've been asking for this for a couple of years now, and they're finally giving it to us. So thank you, GM. And as of right now, this is the most powerful Corvette ever, and now hands down the most expensive one as well. The base ZR1X Coupe will start at $207,395. This is a 1LZ Coupe with nothing else. This makes it $32,000 more than the 2025 base ZR1 Coupe that started at a whopping $175,000. The 1LZ convertible starts at $217,395. The 3LZ Coupe starts at $218,395, and the 3LZ convertible $228,395. Is this even a Corvette anymore? I know it is, but these prices are just hard to believe. But wait till you hear what's next. If you want the full 3LZ convertible spec with the newly announced Quail Silver Limited Edition package, you're looking at a whopping $241,395, and it will officially debut at the Quail during Monterey Car Week. So let me break all this down for you. You're getting 1,250 horsepower from a twin-turbo 5.5 liter flat plane crank V8 paired with a front axle all-wheel drive system. That's 828 foot-pounds of torque from the V8 and another 145 from the electric motor up front. It does 0 to 60 in under 2 seconds. It has a top speed of 233 miles per hour and does the quarter mile in under 9 seconds. And yes, these are production numbers. This isn't a concept. So with the Quail Silver Limited Edition, it's only available on the 3LZ convertible. It's Corvette's first factory matte finish since the 60s, and boy is it beautiful. The official color is called Blade Silver Matte, and it's inspired by the Inca Silver C1s from 1957 to 1959. It's a subtle nod to history, but the execution is all modern, high-end, and understated. And it's easily the most collectible spec I've seen from Chevy in a long time. Inside, you get a new color scheme as well, sky cool gray and medium ash gray, with the beautiful habanero accents, which, just so you know, is new for 2026, but you can add this interior to any 2026 with a 3L trim. Now this is where it gets really good. The calipers are orange, mirrors are carbon flash, and the exhaust tips are blacked out. And each car gets a numbered plaque on the interior waterfall speaker, identifying it as part of this limited run. But let's address the elephant in the room, the price. For a Corvette, a nameplate that's long been about an attainable American performance, I think you would agree this is a massive shift. $241,000 puts it in a totally different conversation, not to mention when you fully build one with all the goodies including ZTK, carbon fiber aero, and carbon fiber wheels, the ZR1X could easily hit close to $300,000. Just the base starting price is more than double what the Z06 launched at, and almost 4 times the price of a base Stingray. So I think the question is fair. Is Corvette still Corvette at this level, or has Chevy crossed the line into full-blown hypercar territory and priced most of the middle class out? This isn't just some special edition made for enthusiasts. This is the leading edge of what GM is doing now, and it represents a whole new way of thinking about their vehicles going forward. But when you zoom out, the price starts to make sense, because you realize Chevy's no longer benchmarking Porsche or even Lamborghini. They're benchmarking Ferrari and McLaren, and they're beating them. Let me explain. The brand new Ferrari F80 has 1,184 horsepower, does 0 to 60 in 2.15 seconds, and has a base price of $3.7 million. Let's move to McLaren. The brand new W1 has 1,258 horsepower, does 0 to 60 in 2.7 seconds, and has a base price of $2.1 million. The ZR1X, 1,250 horsepower, 0 to 60 in under 2 seconds, and top speed of 233 miles an hour. It's built in Bowling Green, Kentucky, and it's 1/10 the price. Plus, this car isn't here to flirt with hypercars, it's here to disrupt them. So yeah, the price is high. In fact, it's crazy high. But when you look at what the ZR1X delivers, both in performance and presence, it's hard to argue that this isn't the best value ever in the world of speed, looks, and comfort. I mean, the Vet has plush leather, a 14-speaker Bose stereo, a rear-view camera mirror, amazing new tech, with a front lift, heated and cooled seats, and a super smooth Magna ride. Let's see you get all that in a $3 million Ferrari or McLaren. I don't think you're gonna. And now, with the Quail Silver Limited Edition, we're seeing Corvette embrace rarity, design heritage, and exclusivity in a way we've never seen it before. It's crazy, it's big, and it's really a new era for American supercars. But as always, let me know what you think in the comments below. Are you on a list for the ZR1X? Has this price changed your mind about it? And has Corvette gone too far with their pricing? Are they slowly drifting away from their roots and leaving their loyal customer base? Also, what do you think about this new matte paint finish? And would you consider buying the new limited edition if you could get an allocation for one? Leave all this in the comments below as usual. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm super excited about the future of Corvette, and as you know, this isn't even the final boss. There's something bigger and better coming from Corvette that will probably blow the ZR1X away in not only looks, performance, but also price. Look for that car to probably cost another $30,000 to $40,000 more than even the ZR1X costs. But if you enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up, smash that red subscribe button on your way out. I hope each and every one of you have a wonderful rest of your day, and we'll see you guys out on the road.